right now. We were dreaming since our first year.
Yeah,
Since our first year, we spoke to each other. We were like, okay, all these seniors are doing something really big there in their fashion show, and we can do better than them.
And everything started with the selection of our groups.
We were hoping that we would be grouped with our friends, but that did not happen. So it happened by our faculty, and she dropped a bomb in our head. We were grouped with strangers from girls from different batches, and from that moment the struggle started.
We had to be comfortable with the thought that we had to be working with people that we not know.
So we had ideas like photo negative art, ball bearings,
Street art,
wall
pottery,
paintings, coffee
wall-
paintings.
Yeah, coffee painting. And at the end, we decided to work with street art and photo negatives with somewhere or the other the touch of ball bearings, as it has a silver look,
Metallic
look. So we plan to go with accessories in silver look. So it will give a glam to our garments.
And our group
Our
name
group
is Thank God It's Friday.
We have drawn inspiration from the literary works of the American artist Edgar Allan Poe. We are inspired from one of his poems, The Dreamland, where he talks about the journey of the unknown. And this line inspired us to put the ill and angels along with the paradox of romanticism and the dark side together, which we have implemented in our entire collection.
So it all started with Sufism, and basically what we liked about Sufism was the spiritual quest for truth of life, the inner self, the purity, the simplicity, the perfection of simplicity. And Sufism tells us about how to search within yourself and not outside.
Finally, we came up with a concept of calico fans.
Our theme was basically that during Victorian era, women were constrained to certain stereotype of clothing. They didn't have the freedom to talk. So in those times, they had their own tricks of talking to men. So they used the calico fans to say that I love you or sorry. So this specific theme is our entire concept.
And our concept is C'est la vie, which is a French word that means this is life.
And we're going to show this whole story using the concept of Adam and Eve, who want to be better than each other in front of God. And so they start dressing up using natural resources, and then they start dreaming about future, like what if these natural resources extinct, like what if we don't have flowers in future, what will we do? So they start making flowers and all the natural things using the futuristic stuff, and that's how it goes from past to their dreams and their future. Now it was a time to actually source the fabrics and get it all done, like seriously 12 people and 1,000 things to do.
Our first mood board got cancelled, tragedy, and the second mood board got burnt dramatically.
Before our jury, we did not have a single thing to show him.
We had this idea of using free stitch embroidery. So there's this fabric called as water soluble fabric, on which we put threads and stitch it, and then we put it in water, and that fabric just dissolves, and we are just left with the threads, which we can put it in any shape. The amount of threads that we needed, the amount of patience that we needed, oh my god,
That was too much.
With the Sufism concept, we drew our silhouettes. We had all these flowy, free-spirited kind of silhouettes. And finally, we had our theme into the global peace. So we made a code, and to show the unity, we have them written in different fonts like Arabic from Islam, and Sanskrit from Hindu, and Bible font from Christianity.
Everyone has different mindsets, and everyone wants their ideas to be selected.
It was very confusing how to mix all the things.
But we also had to make sure that we don't make a khichdi out of it.
Yeah.
Then give the jury what to make. Should we make the entire garment, trousers, tops, jackets, dresses?
Then finally we came with a winter collection with a look of jacket.
In our garments, basically we are using fabrics like velvets and organzas. Also the color palette of our fabrics are maroon, wine and black, because they are romantic colors, and we are showing darker colors because it should show the darkness in our collection as well.
Though we started with different concepts, right now everyone's equally involved with the whole process.
I'm very happy with the group that
We
I
all
have.
are very happy with the mood boards
Yeah.
right now. The concept, it fits.
Hemang sir has been so supportive. He's given his thoughts about all our collection so patiently.
Every time he used his word tacky. Then for today's jury we got the word tacky. I think we're planning to name our concept tacky. And if he says that for the next jury, we're naming it tacky.
Staying in this group has taught us how to cope with different people with different mindsets, and in spite of all the differences and misunderstandings, we choose to hold our hands together and walk through this together.